Hey, and welcome back to another video from my Nostalgic Ringtones playlist, the playlist of videos where I showcase only the ringtones from a specific mobile device. And what we have here today is the Nokia 5610 XpressMusic from 2007, and more specifically, the T-Mobile variant of the 5610. And if some of you already don't know, well, a lot of people actually don't know this, the T-Mobile variant does not have a front-facing camera. That's actually not a camera, that's a sensor, while the international version actually has a front-facing camera. That is a fact that not a lot of people know. And in this video, we'll be going over all the ringtones on this specific phone and listening to them each one by one as we go by. So let's jump into listening to the Nokia 5610 XpressMusic's ringtones here in 2023. And as always, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments regarding the 5610 XpressMusic, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is also linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right into this video. So as usual with these videos, we do a bit of history on the phone before jumping straight into the ringtones. And of course, if you don't want to listen to the history portion of this, you can use the segmented slider bar down below or the timestamps in the description to jump forward to the ringtones themselves. But starting off with a bit of history, and this phone doesn't really have that much to begin with. This thing was announced in August of 2007 and was released in December of 2007 and is a member of the Nokia Series 40 platform, or it runs the Nokia Series 40 platform. Its running mate is the Nokia 5310 XpressMusic, which was also launched and announced on the same day. It's a bit cheaper phone, the 5310 XpressMusic. However, they do share some similarities, and it also shipped in red, this color, blue, white, and pink as well. And as you can see here, it has an unusual feature above the D-pad, which is this sliding switch for navigation, and it actually changes depending on which app you're in. But the moment you do that, it immediately jumps to music, as you can see there, because after all, this thing is a music oriented phone. This side for music, oh no, that side for radio, sorry, and this side for music. There we go. So yeah, this is a music oriented phone, so of course it should have at least one outstanding feature that pertains to music. A fun fact about this phone, it was also featured in Panic at the Disco. If you don't know that band, Panic at the Disco is a band. Panic at the Disco's Green Gentleman, or the Green Gentleman music video. So this phone was definitely noted by some people in that music video. So Panic at the Disco, that Green Gentleman. And apart from that, there's nothing else I can really say about this phone. It's pretty simple. It was a mid-range phone from the XpressMusic lineup. Actually lower mid-range, I'd say. It wasn't the bottom of the barrel like the 5310, which was the lower range, but this definitely was not on par with like the 5800 and stuff like that. However, it was definitely a very popular phone at the time. There's a bunch of these for sale. They're not rare in any sense of the word, and you can easily get your hands on them online. However, if you're in the US, getting the international model is a bit harder. Abroad, away from the US, getting the international model is easier, but in the US you get the T-Mobile model, which does not have the front-facing camera like I already mentioned. Weirdly, on some websites, it does not mention or differentiate the two from each other. It says they're the same phone. However, the T-Mobile model does not have a front-facing camera, and that is quite a significant detail to note, and I don't know why a lot of websites don't note that. However, the T-Mobile variant has no front-facing camera, the international one does. So now let's jump into the ringtones on the Nokia 5610 XpressMusic. Alright, so we have a grand total of 37 tones, as you can see there, and let's go in there, and we have 23 files for ringing tones and 14 files for alert tone. So also, if you've noticed a bit of a difference in my voice, that's because one of my teeth cracked in half and it's now poking against my tongue, so it's a bit hard to talk. I gotta go get that checked later. But yeah, that's why I sound weird if you notice. So let's start off with the ringtones. I've set the volume to mid or upper mid because I can't really play it at full blast in this apartment. Unlike my older apartment, they're a bit more strict on noise level. So the volume is set to mid, and let's go ahead for ringtones. Alright, so that's all for ringtones. Now let's go to alert tones. And by the way, let me know down in the comment section below which is your favorite ringtone so far, or after the end of all the tones and the ringtones and alert tones. Let me know what was your favorite overall and what's your favorite Nokia ringtone or alert tone of all time. So let's start with this. Alright, so that's it for ringtones and alert tones on the Nokia 5610 XpressMusic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you honestly did, also let me know down in the comment section below which one was your favorite and which is your favorite Nokia ringtone of all time, and which is your favorite ringtone of all time period from any manufacturer, Nokia, Sony Ericsson, BlackBerry, whatever. And we have come to the end of this video, and as usual, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is also linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.